So today we're going to be discussing about easy exercises for a flatter belly. As you know, most of us are currently trying to blast a belly fat to create a sleek, toned and summer ready body. If you feel like it's always a struggle to slim down your stomach, get ahead of the curve now and start doing some easy exercises you can complete from the comfort of your own home. Some everyday ab exercises at home can help you tone your belly as well as build a stronger core to support your spine and reduce back pain. Improved core strength also provide better balance as we work out at home, which reduces the risk of injury. So enjoy a healthier lifestyle and flatter stomach with these 8 easy exercises that tighten your core and flatten your belly. But before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share and like the video. Number 1. Ab bicycles. Here's a great flat stomach workout. Lay on the floor and get into crunch position with your hands behind your head and your elbows straight out to the sides. Lift your chin and start to do a crunch. Bring your right elbow inward to touch your left knee as you simultaneously straighten your right leg. Then straighten your left leg outward and bring your right knee towards your chest to meet your left elbow. Control your core and exhale as you bring each elbow inward to meet the opposite knee. Complete 10 repetitions of ab bicycles on each side. Number 2. Bird dogs. Get on all fours to complete bird dogs to strengthen and slim your core. Slowly lift your right arm straight out in front of you as you simultaneously straighten and lift your left leg out behind you. Bring your arm and leg back to the floor and switch sides. Completely 10 repetitions of bird dogs on each side. Number 3. V-ups. This is one of the best ab exercises. Lay with your back flat on the floor and arms above your head with your body straight. Keep your arms and legs together as you slowly raise them straight upward toward each other, while flexing your core and straightening your spine. Touch your hands to your legs to create a triangle with your body before bringing both arms and legs straight back down to the floor. Complete 3 sets of 10 repetitions of V-ups to get toned stomach muscle. Side plank dips. Get into side plank position with your body straight, your feet together and your forearm and elbow on the floor, supporting your weight. As you control your core muscles, slowly dip your hip and oblique area lower toward the floor before raising your body back into side plank position. Repeat this motion with 10 repetitions of plank dips on each side. Spider-Man. With your forearms shoulder width apart, place them straight out in front of you, touching the floor as you get into low plank position. With your body straight and your feet apart, move your right knee outward, up towards your right shoulder. While engaging your core, replace your right foot back to starting position and switch to move your left knee up toward your left shoulder. Complete 10 repetitions on each side to scale the floor like Spider-Man while developing your core strength. Basic crunch. Lay down on the floor with your knees bent and your hands behind your head to get into crunch position. Using your core and shoulder strength, raise your abs up towards your hips without straining your neck. Bring your core back down and complete 3 sets of 10 crunches. Wanna tone up your legs too? Check out this fun and free workout in the next video.